Alcago Logistics expands network to capture e-commerce or quick commerce growth. Alcago Logistics has initiated a strategic expansion of its domestic logistics network following the approval of its restructuring plan. The move consolidates its domestic supply chain, express distribution and consultative logistics segments under a sharper operational focus aimed at capturing the structural growth in e-commerce and quick commerce. The company currently handles more than 10 million packages every month across its e-commerce and quick commerce operations. During festive seasons, volumes increase by 2.5–30%, reflecting scalability and demand resilience. This expansion not only strengthens infrastructure but also generates employment opportunities, particularly for blue-collar workforce across distribution hubs and transportation networks. A key highlight of the expansion is the integrated network model. Alcago is strengthening sorting centers, fulfillment hubs, consolidation facilities, cross-docking operations and secondary transportation. This integrated capability enables faster turnaround, reduced transit time and high reliability critical for quick commerce players where speed of delivery defines customer experience. Technology is central to this strategy. Deployment of warehouse management systems improves inventory visibility, optimizes stock positioning and enhances coordination across multiple facilities. Route optimization and network planning initiatives improve vehicle utilization and infrastructure efficiency, helping maintain cost discipline while scaling volumes. The company has significantly expanded its nationwide footprint. Transshipment centers have increased from 21 to 71, reflecting a major strengthening of mid-mile infrastructure. Through the recently launched Alcago Extended Reach Network, the company now covers 100% of India's available PIN codes. Mapped PIN codes have expanded from 21,000 to over 32,000, representing granular service clusters across the country. Direct serviceable PIN codes have doubled from 4,900 to more than 10,000 through Alcago distribution centers. This expanded coverage enhances connectivity, reliability and operational efficiency, particularly in Tier 2 and Tier 3 markets where e-commerce penetration is accelerating. As consumption patterns shift beyond metro cities, structured logistics networks become essential for sustaining delivery timelines and maintaining service consistency. The company's diversified capabilities are demonstrated through long-standing partnerships with large multinational and domestic retail brands. It manages a substantial portion of logistics operations for a European multinational furniture brand across multiple Indian cities. In the quick commerce segment, it supports a leading Indian supermarket chain through customized network design, route optimization, and capacity planning. From a strategic perspective, the restructuring and domestic focus allow Alcago to align capital and operational resources toward higher growth segments within India. E-commerce and quick commerce require dense networks, disciplined execution, and technology-led visibility, areas where the company is investing heavily. As India's consumption economy expands and delivery expectations tighten, logistics providers that combine infrastructure depth with technological integration stand to benefit. Alcago Logistics' expansion into integrated, tech-enabled domestic networks positions it to capture rising shipment volumes while improving efficiency and service reliability across the country. If you found this news useful, then don't forget to like the video, subscribe to our channel, and stay connected for more timely stock market news and company updates.